Hi, SokoAI tribe. Welcome back to the channel, which is your go-to source for mastering AI skills that will shape your future. Before we jump in, comment below which AI skills are you most excited to learn about? Agents, reasoning, or integration? AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's essentially with each day getting so embedded in everything from healthcare and finance to entertainment and transportation. Companies are looking for people who can build AI systems that do more than just analyze data. They need AI that can think, act, and also connect with other systems. The shift is toward multi agent systems, causal reasoning, and also end to end AI pipelines that essentially integrate with existing IT infrastructure. Understanding this landscape helps you see why agents, reasoning, and integration are very critical. Let's take this example. When you consider autonomous vehicles, they typically don't just rely on a single AI model, but they're relying on a network of agents communicating and also reasoning in real time. Can you think of an industry where AI could make a huge impact next? Share your comments below, and we can take this discussion further. So just to give you a brief overview, we'll be focusing on the three core pillars that we previously mentioned. Agents. This is essentially autonomous AI systems that perceive and act. Reasoning, that being the ability of AI to make decisions and solve problems. And then integration, which is connecting AI with real world data and applications. So why this? Um, they represent the evolution from single models to complex intelligent systems. Um, so what exactly are AI agents? Just to give a brief, so an AI agent is a program that senses its environment and takes actions to achieve goals. Think of a smart thermostat adjusting your home temperature automatically. Modern agents use reinforcement learning, multi-agent collaboration, and adaptive strategies to operate in dynamic environments. Robotic warehouse systems coordinate multiple agents to optimize inventory management. Amazon, as we know, before had essentially a fleet. They're not the robots weren't really agentic. Recently, they've been doing more research into tapping into the agentic nature of robots to ensure that they can be able to streamline the operations further. So let's look at the types of AI agents that are often talked about. We do have the simple reflex agents. These respond directly to stimuli. And then we have the model-based agents, which maintain an internal state of the world. And then you have the goal-based agents. These ones act to achieve specific objectives. Um, for example, playing chess to win against humans, as we've seen in prior experiments. And then you have the utility-based agents. These focus on optimizing a utility function for best outcomes. So, which type of AI agent do you think is most useful in self-driving cars? You can share your thoughts below. All right. Now that we've touched a bit about that, let's look at how you can essentially start building AI agents. So we did mention that reinforcement learning is essentially at the foundation of this all. And for tools and frameworks, you can start looking at OpenAI Gym, RLib, and also Unity ML agents. Some of the challenges that you're probably going to face are exploration versus exploitation, and also reward design. So what essentially is reasoning? As we'd said earlier, reasoning essentially includes symbolic reasoning, probabilistic reasoning, causal inference, and neurosymbolic systems. So again, you essentially want your AI to be able to make decisions, infer new knowledge, and also solve problems in real time. And a good example of this may be AI diagnosing diseases by reasoning through symptoms and also um, medical, pardon me, and also through medical history. So, what are some of the reasoning techniques that currently exist out there? We do have symbolic reasoning. This one is logic based and also rule driven. Um, we do have probabilistic reasoning, which is handling uncertainty with Bayesian networks. And you have the causal inference, which is understanding cause effect relationships. And lastly, you have the neurosymbolic integration, which focuses on combining neural networks with symbolic logic. Um, I'm kind of curious if you've ever encountered AI that reasoned through a problem. I think we've seen this move a bit more since the DeepSeek launch. Now almost um, every chat or LLM chat that you're going to interact with will essentially have slow reasoning built into it to make sure that it's actually giving you the right response to the question that you're asking. All right, let's look at the applications of reasoning. Um, we're going to look at AI in legal document analysis, fraud detection in finance, personalized education systems. These are industries that we're starting to see more and more of. And A good example could be AI tutors, which essentially adapt lessons based on student responses using reasoning, or in legal document analysis, essentially cross-referencing facts from what happened in the past and what was shared to essentially make sure that the legal decision made is fair. Um, let's touch a bit about integration, which is essentially, like we earlier mentioned, connecting AI to the real world. Integration means connecting AI models to real world systems like databases, cloud platforms, and also user interfaces. Um, and as of recent, we've seen a bit more of MCP being implemented by different developers. MCP was launched by Anthropic somewhere around the end of last year, but now we're seeing its adoption being continuing to evolve. Um, so there is also a strong focus on APIs, microservices, orchestration tools, for example, Kubernetes, and also edge computing. And also, we do have smart home devices integrated with voice assistants and also IoT platforms. So, what are some of the tools and best practices that you'll be looking at using? Um, for integration, mostly you potentially will be considering TensorFlow, serving AWS SageMaker, or Azure ML. This is not to say these are the only integration platforms. I'm pretty sure there's a wide range of them, but this come up to the radar when I think of that. And also, you'll be also focusing on building scalable AI pipelines and also security and compliance considerations, which remain key areas in regards to compliance. All right. So carrying forward, the one thing that I would essentially suggest is definitely focus on taking online courses and certifications, but more so focus on hands-on projects and open source contributions. These help in honing your skills, but also getting to understand how other AI engineers and data scientists out there are going about their projects. Kaggle always puts out lots of competitions, so definitely would suggest checking out their platform for that. And also joining AI communities and forums, because these are often a great resource for whenever you have questions and you need something solved. Um, if you found this video helpful, just do go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with fellow AI enthusiasts. Don't forget to check the description for links to resources and courses. All right, I'll see you in the next one.